UltraVPN VPN Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume all VPNs are the same, but UltraVPN emphasizes speed, security, and privacy, while keeping the interface simple for both beginners and advanced users. UltraVPN encrypts your internet traffic, protects your IP address, and allows access to geo-restricted content worldwide. One standout feature is its fast server network, optimized for streaming, gaming, and secure browsing, which minimizes slowdowns commonly associated with VPNs. Most people assume VPNs are hard to configure. The surprising truth is UltraVPN offers one-click connection and automatic server selection, making it easy to stay secure without any technical knowledge. It also supports multiple devices, including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and browser extensions. Another advantage is privacy. UltraVPN maintains a strict no-logs policy, uses AES-256 encryption, and offers kill switch functionality to protect data even if the connection drops. Customer support is available 24/7 by chat and email. However, there are some considerations. Some advanced features, like dedicated IPs or multi-hop connections, may require higher-tier subscriptions. Additionally, speeds may vary depending on your location and server load. In conclusion, UltraVPN is a reliable and user-friendly VPN service with strong security, fast connections, and multi-device support. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking privacy and unrestricted access online. Subscribe for more honest VPN reviews before choosing your next security solution.